Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we learn about class 5th standard 1 chapter factors and multiples. So let's start. First start with the definition. What is factors and multiple? Let's see. Factors of a number divide into it exactly, and multiple of a number can be divided by it exactly. So consider any two number 12 and 3. We know that we can divide 12 by 3, and if we divide we get 4. So we can show that 3 is a factor of 12. Also if we multiply 3 by simultaneously 1, 2, 3, 4 and respectively so on, then we get 3 multiplied by 1 equal to 3, 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6, 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9, and 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3. Okay, now let's go the second page. What is saying? Factors of a whole number are the number that divide into it exactly. Consider any number 12. The number which divides 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, because 1 multiplied by 12 equal to 12, 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12, 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12, 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 12, 6 multiplied by 2 equal to 12, and 12 multiplied by 1 equal to 12. So all the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factor of a whole number are the number that divide into it exactly. Let us discuss the factors by another example. 25. If we multiply 1 by 25 we get 25. If we multiply 5 by 25 then we get 25. So the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. The number that have only two factors are prime. We know the definition of prime number. The number which has only two factors, the number of 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. It's called prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Because the factors of 2 are 1 and 2, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, factors of 5 are 1 and 5, factors of 7 are 1 by 7, factors of 11 are 1 by 11. These are, so these numbers are prime numbers, and we when we get these numbers in any factors, then we get these are prime factors. Every whole number can be made by multiplying prime numbers together. Finding how to do this is called decomposition. You can see factor 3 to decompose a number. Consider any numbers 90. Using factor 3 we get, if we break 90 then we get 2 and 45. If we break 45 then we get 5 and 9, and if we get 9 we get 3 and 3. So we can write as 90 equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So all the prime factors of 90 are 2, 3 and 5. Every whole number can be made by multiplying prime numbers together. Finding how to do this is called decomposition. You can use factor 3 to decompose a number. Split every number into two factors. Branches that end in a prime number don't need to be split. Any number 90 equal to 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Prime factors of 90 are 2, 45, 2, 3, 3 and 5. We tell you before the prime factors of 90 are 2, 3, 3 and 5. Okay, now go to the next page. Common factors. If we take any two numbers and determine their factors, then which factors comes in both the numbers are called the common factors. Let us see by an example. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here the numbers which has in both the number factor series are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So all these four are the common factors of 12 and 18. Common factor of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors of 12 and 18. Okay, now let's go. Now HCF. What is the full form of HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. HCF means highest common factors. We have to determine the HCF of 12 and 18. The factors of 12 are, we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, here's all the common factors of 12 and 18 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Among them the highest is 6. So HCF of 12 and 18 are HCF of 12 and 18 equal to 6. Now multiple. What is multiple? I say that when we multiply any number by 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively, so on, then we call the numbers as multiple of that number. Taken any number 3, its multiple equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. It has no end. It goes to infinity. These are called multiple. Okay. Also in the same way, the multiple of 12 are 12 multiply by 2 we get 24, by multiply by 3 we get 36, multiply by 4 we get 48 and so on. If you multiply number 1, 2, 3, 4, you calculate its multiple. Okay, I tell the multiple of 12, I tell multiple of 3. Now we see the common multiple. LCM stands for largest common multiple. Common multiple, what is common multiple? If we take only two number 12 and 18, then we have to find the common multiple. First we calculate the multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132 and 144, and the multiple of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162, 190, sorry, 180. These are all the common multiple, all the multiples. So common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108. Common multiple of 12 and 18 equal to 36, 72 and 108. Among these, the lowest is 36. 36 is called lowest common multiple or LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So it is equal to here 36. Okay. Now here are some questions given. We have to solve the question. The factors of 36 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Because we can divide 36 by all these numbers. We can same way we can find the factors of 27, 50 and 30. Okay. Here has given one question. List the first 10 multiples of this number. To find the first 10 multiples of this number, we have to multiply number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If we multiply any number by this 10, then I get the first 10 multiples of this number. The first 10 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. In this way, we find the factors of multiples and also HCF and LCMs. This is today's class. We discuss another topic in other days. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.